How to delete search history in Outlook Mobile. Open your Outlook app and make sure to sign in to your Outlook account. Once you're on the section, tap on Profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you get access to Settings page, scroll down and under General, select the Privacy settings. You have to scroll all the way down and under Search History, you can easily find out the statement written. You can delete your Outlook search history by clicking here. So click on the link. So once you click on the link, this will open your Outlook account in browser. Make sure to sign in. If you haven't, then you will get access to this search history page. So if you have any search history, you can simply tap on delete history button and now tap on continue. So the search history has been successfully deleted. So that's how we can easily delete search history in Outlook Mobile. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.